Hi everyone! Today, my team and I are going to talk about the 5G technology. Hello everyone, my name is Nur Afina Patricia and my student ID is AK1081758.
Hi everyone, my name is Batrisha Izvin binti Azman and my student ID is 80 108 1712.
Hello, my name is Nur Iman binti Iskandar, AK1081791.
Today, I would like to talk about who has created the 5G technology and how was it developed. Have you guys ever wondered who created this 5G technology? It is deep to think that without this person, how would we survive to live without access of the internet? But uniquely of 5G, it is not created by any person or scientist, but it is the result of the previous technology that I would like to talk in my second topic. The conclusion that we can make is 5G is created by MIMO systems and small cells that basically main component of it. Alright, let's jump to our next topic, which is how was it developed? There was a long way before the existence of 5G, which is 1G to 4G network. Let us start with 1G, where it all began. 1G is launched by Nippon Telegraph and Telephone (NTT) in Tokyo in 1979. The 1G network coverage was very poor and the sound quality was low. It cannot support roaming between various operators and no compatibility between systems. Later on, the 1G network has been developed to 2G network, which is the Cultural Revolution. It was launched under the GSM standard in Finland in 1991. The calls could be encrypted and digital voice calls were significantly clearer with less static and background crackling. People could send text messages, SMS, picture messages, and multimedia messages, MMS, on their phone. Isn't it fascinating? Next is 3G, the packet switching revolution. It was launched by NTT Docomo in 2001. Users could access data from any location in the world, as we can call our friend from another country without having any problem at all. And the data transfer has been increased 4 times faster than 2G. Next, we move to the 4G network, which we still using it. We call it as the streaming era. It was deployed in Stockholm, Sweden, Oslo, and Norway in 2009. It offers fast mobile web access up to 1 GB per second for stationary users. It also come up with new services such as video conferencing, video streaming, and voice over. And it also made high quality video streaming a reality for millions of consumers to use it. Last but not least, 5G network, the Internet of Things era. It was deployed by MIMO systems and small cells. It virtualized, software-driven, and also exploit cloud technologies. 5G also have a dense distributed access architecture and move data processing closer to the edge. That is all from me. Thank you.
And now it is my turn to present. Have you ever wondered How much does the 5G network really cost? The installation and everything? Well, now I will tell some details about the cost of 5G network. The range of 5G networks creation are depending on the vendor. For how many subscribers does the vendor want? So, the range are from $250,000 to $1.2 million. What about the software license fee per subscriber for a 4G or 5G Internet of Things system? That could cost between $0.02 per customer all the way up to $1.04 per customer. How about the rack-mounted baseband unit BBU for an LTE network? That is just $7,461 for the cheap stuff or $54,773 for the pricey version. Not only that, I will also tell you the network construction's cost since it is also contributed and needed to build up the 5G network. It might cost $76,000 to run a helicopter that can lift 5G radios on top of a cell tower. That is the price for up to 3,200 pounds of equipment and the 6-hour day rate plus the hourly rate. And that is the only estimation and doesn't include the setup cost. Some side information, US Congress said that it is possible that tower crews, engineering services, and some other costs may rise with high demand. It also allocated almost $2 billion to upgrade their network equipment with equipment from vendors that are not based in China. On the other factor, as we all know that 5G technology continues to be implemented around the world. It will connect us to a much faster mobile network and entire industries will benefit from a faster connection, such as autonomous cars, drones, the lot, or the healthcare industry. As estimated, by 2023, there will be 1 billion 5G customers. So, will 5G technology be more expensive than 4G? Let us divide it into two, operators and consumers. Operators, the one who provided the 5G network, they are expected to spend more than $1.3 trillion over the next 7 years on networks. Of this, the majority, 75%, will be allocated to 5G. The rest will be spent on upgrading and expanding 4G, which will coexist alongside 5G. As for consumers, 5G rates can be divided into two categories, unlimited and limited data plans. Unlimited data, I will only talk about plans with SIMs. Unsurprisingly, at least for the carriers that have launched so far, unlimited 5G rates are more expensive than 4G. Based on carrier data, the average monthly fee for 5G is around $89 compared to $68 for 4G. While the difference in average cost between the 5G and 4G unlimited plans range from $5 to $72 per month. Of course, operators can avoid overuse by adding fixed data limits or reducing speeds once a certain amount of data has been consumed. In Europe, Switzerland was the first country with commercial 5G service and there is a huge gap of $72 between the average cost of unlimited 5G and 4G package with Swisscom. But users can choose to pay $198 for 1 GB service or $89 for 300 megabytes. In South Korea, KT has one of the widest price gaps with a $51 difference between 5G and 4G unlimited plans. Besides, LGU plus 5G prices are only $5 higher than 4G while SK Telecom has only a $9 gap. In the United States, Verizon was the first US carrier to offer 5G and its average rate is the lowest. The prices are an average of $18 higher than 4G, but they come with free roaming in Canada and Mexico. Limited data plans. These plans allow operators greater control over the volume of data on their networks, while also allowing customers with less intensive data needs to get 5G at lower price. Operators can expecting many experienced customers will upgrade to a larger or unlimited data in the future. Overall, the average cost for 1 gig data on 4G is $17 compared to $13 on 5G. Let us move to the next slide. What are the features and functions of it? First, the most discussed 5G feature is increased speed and bandwidth. With a data rate of up to 10 gigabytes, 5G will bring a 10 times to 100 times improvement over the existing 4G LTE technology. Cellular is now a potential technology for branch office automation because one connections finally have enough bandwidth. The pressure that 5G exerts on market price of incumbent one connectivity is the real benefit of 5G for business. Speeding data transfer by shortening the distance that it has to travel will not only improve latency, but will also allow permit complex functions to occur within the network, near the end user. In simple sentence, meaning that the end user's device would require less processing capability and consume less energy. Secondly, 5G speed and low latency. The speed and low latency of 5G should enhance the ability to reach and inform first responders faster, helping them keep our communities safer. The speed and low latency of 5G should help transform virtually all industries, ranging from manufacturing to healthcare. In addition, Verizon's 5G ultra-wideband network offers speed of approximately 1 GB per second and latency of less than 30 milliseconds. This is 23 milliseconds faster than 4G cellular technology. To the next slide, thirdly is density. With 5G, more connectivity can be provided to these areas, with lower latency and expanded access for a larger groups. 5G density enables up to 100 times more connected devices in the same physical area that 4G LTE operates today, while maintaining 99.9999% availability. This density may bring business advantages for mobile workforce. The real benefit is increasing the size of the mobile customer market. More customers than ever use mobile technologies to shop online, so greater density increase the overall addressable market. Last but not least, the security. Security is always a concern because mobile devices will be bigger targets for attackers, since a lot of information are kept in the internet and mobile devices. With 5G, stronger security than 4G LTE is available for designers, including hardware security modules, key management service, over-the-air secure element, and others. This will help ensure that the data transmitted over the 5G network is secure while also hardening network endpoints. 5G also introduced new IP and cloud security standards that help strengthen network security posture. By empowering clients with 5G networks, T-Mobile provides improved integrity protection, more robust authorization and authentication of mobile devices, and increased identity protection. Okay, that brings me to the end of my slide. I hope that it can give a lot of new information about 5G technology that are widely used in the world. That's all from me, Nur Iman binti Iskandar, AK1081791. Thank you.
Okay, let's move on to how does it make the existing technologies better. Is 5G better than LTE? How 5G is different from LTE? 5G is a lot faster than the previous Gs, has a lower latency rate, and allows more devices or users to connect to the internet at the same time. There is a comparison before 5G technologies and with the 5G technologies. Before 5G technology, a superb connectivity for mobile devices and relatively fast internet speed of up to 100 Mbps, and also up to 4,000 devices supported per square kilometer. While with 5G technology, superior connectivity designed for more types of devices aside from smartphones, expected download speeds of over 10 gigabytes, 100 to 1,000 times faster than the preceding generation. and up to 1 million devices supported per square kilometer. Okay, so here is the mobile networks and 5G technologies from the first Gs until the current Gs with the 5Gs. How can it contribute to our society? 5G technologies give a lot of benefits from various types, which is from the business, from the daily life, the health, transportation, and also energy. Here is the how 5G benefits to the business. 5G can change how business works and flourish. And here is how 5G benefits individuals' daily life. 5G can improve people's lives by improved services, efficient energy consumption, and remote healthcare. And there are a lot of other benefits of 5G technologies that the connectivity offers will also boost aspects of various industries such as healthcare, transportation, and energy. And the last part is, here is some of the photos, the 5G technologies.
That's all. With good data and the right technology, people and institutions today can still solve hard problems and change the world for the better.
And that's all from us. Thank you for watching.